All right, Zach, since we're almost out of time today, I'd like to take a couple minutes to talk about what is going on. Is that okay with you?
Sounds good.
All right, so your appointment today was a follow-up over being hospitalized due to COPD exacerbation a couple weeks ago. Physical exam shows that you've had good control of your weight. However, notice that the signs of your lungs have worsened since the last time you've been here. I see that you smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day. Continuing to smoke 2 packs of cigarettes every day will only make breathing more difficult for you, and will cause you to have more of these COPD episodes and being hospitalized. Are you familiar with what happens to you when you smoke cigarettes?
I mean, yeah, I remember the videos that they would show us, in class in like high school, like say no to drugs. And I kind of feel it on a day-to-day basis. I can tell it's getting harder to breathe, but other than that, I don't really know much.
Okay. Yeah, it is bad for your lungs, and that's why you lose your breath much easier when you start moving around. However, it also causes the arteries in your veins to stiffen, and it makes your heart work much harder than it has to. Not only does it injure your lungs, but it also increases the risk to develop cancer in your mouth and your throat.
Yeah, I think I've heard all that. I guess my problem is I just don't know how to quit.
Yeah, and there are ways to help you quit. Many cigarette smokers have been successful with different alternatives like nicotine patches, gums, and inhalers. Is there any small changes you can do to your life today that could help you quit smoking?
To be honest, Doc, I don't know if I'm ready to quit smoking altogether. I think I could maybe cut down from 2 packs to 1 pack and try to supplement the rest with like nicotine gum or something.
Zach, that's perfect. I like that idea. I think the best way to make changes to a major lifestyle change like quitting smoking is to set small, realistic goals.
Okay.
I think that's a really good goal to start with.
Okay.
Maybe after 2 weeks or so, maybe 3 weeks, try to decrease that number even more.
Okay.
Maybe from 1 pack to, let's say, half a pack.
Okay.
And then I'd love to see you come back in around 2 months so I can follow up with your progress. Hopefully it's even less than a pack.
That sounds good.
Okay. So I'd like to give you this handout.
Okay, awesome.
And that handout provides a little bit more information and resources that we've discussed today to help you quit smoking.
Okay.
So to wrap this up, can you tell me what we have discussed so far?
Yeah. So I mean, it sounds like if I keep smoking, I'm run a high risk of like getting cancer and just kind of feeling worse every day. Not being able to breathe as well. So we're gonna start today with trying to cut the packs from 2 packs to 1 pack and using gum for the rest, and then in a couple weeks trying to cut that number in half again.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Good. Perfect. All right. So I'll see you in around 2 months, and hopefully, your progress, gets better and better.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you, Doc.
Nice to see you again, Zach.
Yeah, nice seeing you.